Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about the AirPods Pro 2 mic not working quick fix. Now here are 9 fixes for AirPods Pro 2 mic not working. So number 1, check the battery levels. Ensure that your AirPods aren't operating on a dying battery. Number 2, reset your devices. A simple restart of your phone and AirPods could fix the problem. Number 3, check the Bluetooth connection. Disconnect and reconnect your AirPods to ensure a stable connection. Number 4, clean the AirPods. Does your AirPod microphone sound muffled? Ensure that no debris or lint is blocking the microphone holes. Number 5, adjust the microphone settings. Verify that your AirPods are selected as the input device in your sound settings. Number 6, reduce wireless interference. Avoid using your AirPods near other wireless devices that can interfere with the Bluetooth connections, such as Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth devices. Number 7, reset the network settings. On your phone, reset the network settings to clear any connectivity conflicts. So to reset your network settings, open Settings, then App, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then reset network settings and enter your passcode, and tap reset network settings. Use on another device. Connect your AirPods to a different device to determine if the issue is with the AirPods themselves or just when connected to the original device. And lastly, update your software. Make sure your AirPods are on your smartphone are running the latest software versions. For an iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. To update your AirPods, place them in their case, connect them to a power source, and then bring them close to your iOS device. And that's it. Thanks for watching.